All right, guys, we back and we have a beauty. 1963 Buick Riviera. She's already been LS swapped. She has a set of 20-inch spokes and Vogues, and she can be purchased with or without the wheels. Paint is a solid 9 in my opinion. Interior is nice and clean. Floor pans are solid. Let's check her out. She's absolutely beautiful, guys. What y'all thinking? Drop down in the comments and let me know. As y'all can see, paint is in excellent condition. Let's check out the top. Driver side floor pans. Passenger side. Checking out the jambs on the lower doors. Deck lid. She's nice and solid, guys. Trunk nice and clean. She has power windows, power locks, bucket seats, console, floor mounted shifter. Driver seat shows wear. She's in overall good shape though. I love how that console come all the way down. Passenger seat. Headliner has opportunity. Check out the back seat. Nice and clean. Package tray. Check out that dash. Beautiful gauge cluster. Upper dash. Lower. Like she got some aftermarket speakers in the kick panels. She's missing that piece on the passenger side right there for the console. Engine bay is nice and clean. She got a built 6-liter LS. Power brakes, power steering. Let's start her up. Y'all make sure y'all go check her out at rollingmuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos on her. We have financing available. All the contact information gonna be in the description below. Your dream car truck is literally one call away. Don't miss out. She's running nice and strong. Y'all guys love LS swaps. Thank y'all guys for watching. Y'all have a good one. Stay tuned for the next one.